Every day, millions of Americans reach for that familiar blue box of Kraft mac and cheese or those individually wrapped American cheese slices. But have you ever wondered how American cheese is made? Today on All Factory Word, we go inside a Kraft cheese facility. It all starts with fresh milk from American dairy farms. Tanker trucks arrive daily, delivering thousands of tested for quality, fat content, and purity. Only the best milk makes the cut. Fresh milk is stored in massive temperature-controlled silos. From here, it will be pumped into the production line as needed. Maintaining the right temperature from farm to factory is critical for food safety and quality. Next comes standardization. Different cheese products need different fat levels. Centrifuges separate cream from milk, then recombine them in precise ratios. Kraft's American cheese has a standardized recipe that never varies. The milk is now pasteurized, heated to 161 degree Fahrenheit for 15 seconds, then rapidly cooled. This kills any harmful bacteria while preserving the proteins and fats needed for cheese making. Safety first, always. In massive cheese vats, starter cultures are added to the milk. These beneficial bacteria begin converting lactose into lactic acid, the first step in transforming liquid milk into solid cheese. Next, rennet is added, a natural enzyme that causes milk to coagulate. Within minutes, the liquid milk transforms into a gel-like solid called curd. This is where cheese is truly born. Once the curd forms, it's cut into small cubes using wire harps. This releases whey, the liquid portion. Smaller cubes mean firmer cheese. For American cheese, the curd is cut to exact specification. The curds and whey are now gently heated. This cooking process firms the curds and drives off more moisture. Temperature and timing are carefully controlled. Every degree matters. The whey is drained away, leaving behind a mat of curd. This whey isn't wasted. It's used in other products like whey protein supplements and animal feed. Nothing is thrown away in modern cheese making. For some cheese varieties, the curd undergoes cheddaring, cutting, stacking, and turning the mats. This process develops the texture and helps remove more moisture. Some Kraft cheeses use aged cheddar as a base. The curd is now milled into small, uniform pieces. This increases surface area for salting and creates the texture needed for processed cheese. Consistency is everything at this stage. Salt is added, not just for flavor, but for preservation and texture control. The amount is precisely measured to ensure every batch tastes exactly the same. Too little salt affects flavor, too much affects texture. Some of this cheese will now age for weeks or months. But for Kraft's processed American cheese, much of it moves directly to the next stage, where aged and fresh cheeses are blended together. This is where the magic happens. Aged cheeses are blended with fresher cheeses in exact proportions. The aged cheese provides flavor, the fresh cheese provides the smooth melting properties American cheese is famous for. Emulsifying salts like sodium citrate are added. These bind fat and water together, preventing separation when the cheese melts. This is what gives American cheese its smooth, creamy melt, perfect for grilled cheese sandwiches. The blended cheese now enters a continuous cooker where it's heated to 165 graus. Direct steam injection cooks and pasteurizes the mixture while constant agitation ensures smoothness. This is where it becomes true processed cheese. From the cooker, molten cheese flows onto chilled, rotating drums. It cools instantly, forming a thin, continuous sheet. This rapid cooling sets the texture and prepares it for cutting. The drums spin at precisely controlled speeds. The cooled cheese sheet is now cut into 3-inch wide ribbons by precision blades. These ribbons will become individual slices. The machines run continuously, cutting thousands of pounds per hour with incredible accuracy. The ribbons are cut crosswise to create individual 3-inch squares. Each stack contains exactly the right number of slices. This happens faster than the eye can follow, hundreds of slices per minute. In 1956, Arnold Nawrocki invented the machine that individually wraps cheese slices. Today's machines are faster, but the principle remains. Each slice is sealed in its own wrapper, keeping them fresh and separate until you're ready. Wrapped slices are stacked, boxed, and sealed automatically. Date codes and batch numbers are printed on every package, complete traceability from your kitchen back to this factory. If there's ever an issue, Kraft knows exactly where every box went. Throughout production, quality control never stops. Scientists test samples for texture, melt properties, and flavor. Consistent, safe, delicious.
If it's not perfect, it never reaches.
This batch meets all criteria. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on All Factory Word, where American food manufacturing comes to life. Go make yourself a grilled cheese.